microarray applications. What are the advantages of microarray? Microarray provides data for thousands of the genes simultaneously or within a single experiment. One experiment instead of many experiments. Microarray is fast and easy to obtain the results, closer to discovering cures for diseases and for the cancers. Different parts of DNA can be used to study gene expression levels in different cells of the organism. What is the disadvantages of the microarray? The biggest disadvantage of DNA chip or the DNA microarray is that they are expensive to create. The production of too many results at a single time or at a same time requires long time for analysis, which is quite complex in nature, because by performing the microarray experiment we get a lot of results at a same time, so to analyze those data becomes difficult. Another disadvantage of DNA microarray is that DNA chips do not have very long shelf life, which proves to be another major disadvantage of the technology. There are some limitations of microarray, like the cross hybridization of sequences with high identity. There is chip to chip variation. The real limitation is the bioinformatics or the expertise in bioinformatics. This technology is expensive, and to repeat the experiments also becomes very expensive. Gene discovery and disease diagnostics has become possible with the help of microarray applications. So we can discover the genes and we can diagnose the diseases. We can classify the types of cancer based on the pattern of gene activity in the tumor cells. Microarray also has applications in pharmacogenomics, the study of correlation between the therapeutic response to drug and genetic profiles of the patients is possible with the help of DNA microarrays. Microarray also has applications in toxigenomics. Microarray technology allows us to research the impact of toxins on the cells. Some toxins can change the genetic profile of the cells, so those profiles can be identified with the help of DNA microarrays. Microarrays also has an application in biology. Many biological discoveries are performed with the help of microarrays. New and better molecular diagnostics is possible with the help of DNA microarray. Finding and refining the biological pathway has also become possible with the help of DNA microarray. So DNA microarray or the microarrays has a vast list of applications, starting from, in case of gene expression, pharmacogenomics, or if we have to study any toxins, effect of the toxins on the cells.